In this video, you'll learn how to enable a passkey on Bitget, enhancing your account security. This process involves a series of straightforward steps within the Bitget platform. Start by navigating to the Bitget website. Ensure you're on the official site to avoid any security risks. Once the homepage loads, you will see various options related to trading and account management. Next, locate and click on the highlighted area on the homepage. This section typically directs you to your account settings. After clicking, you should see your account details and options for customization. After that, find and click on the settings option, usually located in the menu. This will take you to a new screen where you can adjust various settings related to your account. Confirm that you are on the settings page before proceeding. Once you are in the settings area, look for the security option and click on it. This section is crucial as it contains all the security features available for your account. You should see options related to two-factor authentication and passkey settings. Continue by clicking on passkey within the security settings. This will bring you to the passkey configuration screen. Here you will find information about the benefits of using a passkey. Next, click on the disabled button to enable the passkey feature. This action will prompt the system to prepare the passkey settings for your account. Wait for a confirmation that the feature is now active. Then click on configure to begin setting up passkey. This will lead you to options that allow you to enhance your account security further. Make sure you are ready to proceed with the next steps. Now, select Use a passkey to enhance security. This option will explain how a passkey can provide additional protection compared to traditional passwords. Take a moment to read through the information presented. Next, click on Login and withdraw without a password or verification code. This setting will allow you to streamline your access while maintaining security. Ensure that you understand the implications of this choice. After that, click on More Secure Than Passwords. This will highlight the advantages of using a passkey system over conventional password methods. Familiarize yourself with the security benefits. Continue by selecting cross-device usage. This option enables you to use your passkey across multiple devices, making it convenient for managing your account. Confirm that this feature aligns with your security preferences. Next, click on Add to proceed with adding a new passkey. This action is essential for integrating the passkey into your account security framework. Wait for the interface to load the next options. Now click on Security Verification. This step is necessary to ensure that the changes you are making are secure and verified. You may need to wait for a moment while the system processes your request. After that, select email as your method for receiving a verification code. This code will be sent to the email associated with your Bitget account. Ensure you have access to this email before proceeding. Next, click on Get Code. This action will trigger the system to send a verification code to your email. Check your inbox promptly and be aware that it may take a few moments for the email to arrive. Now, navigate to your email inbox and look for an email titled Bitget Safety Verification. Open this email to find the verification code you need to continue. After locating the email, click on the message that contains the verification code. Make sure to read through the contents to find the exact code needed for the next step. Once you have the code, copy it to your clipboard. This code is crucial for verifying your identity and enabling the passkey feature. Take care to ensure it is copied correctly without any extra spaces. Next, return to the Bitget interface and type in the code you just copied. This verification is necessary to confirm your identity and complete the passkey setup process. Check for any error messages after entering the code. After that, click on Google Authenticator verification code. This step involves using the Google Authenticator app to generate a code that adds another layer of security. Ensure you have the app installed and set up. Now, type in the code generated by your Google Authenticator app. This code is time sensitive, so make sure to enter it promptly. Wait for the system to verify this code before moving on. Finally, click on Confirm to finalize the passkey setup. This action will complete the process of enabling your passkey on Bitget. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the passkey has been successfully activated. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.